Welcome back to the Online Force. I'm Robin, and in today's Wix tutorial I'll show you how to choose and preview a template before you start editing. Okay, let's dive in. If you've never been in the site before, then you will click Create a New Site. If you've already been past this stage, it'll say Design Site. So we're going to click Create New Site, and it's going to give us the option to use AI. We're going to set up without the AI. It's good to learn the process of doing this without the AI, and we can introduce the AI at a future date. So click Set up without chat. If you know any of the things that they're asking now, you can simply fill in the details. If not, skip, and we can come back to those at some stage in the future. You'll be able to access those choices from the dashboard. So in the dashboard now, it's asking us if we know the name of the site. Fill it in if you do, or simply skip. What the goals are for the site. Again, this we can pick up at a later date unless you know them already. The apps we will ignore for now, and we can pick up on those on another tutorial. Okay, let's continue on now to the dashboard. Here we have an option to design site. If we click on that, we're given the option again, use AI or customize without. We're going to customize without. All the tutorials here will teach you to use without the AI, and we'll come back to AI at a future point. So now the template page loads, and there's plenty to choose from in here. If there's not anything on the first page, then move on. And when you see one you like the look of, hover over it, and you'll have two choices, edit or view. If you want to preview the site before you edit, simply click the view button, and it will give you an idea of what the site is like. And this is as if you were browsing it for real. You can look through the different pages, and it gives you an idea what the site's going to be like when you're done. If you like this, click Edit this site in the top right. If you're not sure and want to look at other templates, go to the top left and click Back to Templates. And then scroll through some more, take a look at another, and if you think, yes, this is the one for me, then we're going to click Edit this site. Now in the background, Wix is going to just get this loaded into the editor, ready for us to start work on. It can sometimes take a moment or two, and there we are. This is now loaded into the editor. Again, it's giving you a chance to use AI. I will just use the X and get rid of that. And there we have it, all ready. That's it for today's tutorial. In the next one, we'll begin the editing process. You don't want to miss that. This is the Online Force, and I'm Robin. Keep building, keep learning, and may the force be with you always.